Hi, this is ENGLISHMANny channel, and today we are going to learn numbers from 11 to 20. Say with me: 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20. Subscribe my channel and watch a new video every week. Have a nice day!